All right, it's working. All right, today's August 23rd, 2024. I'm going to go over my pre-market levels for ES and NQ. Um, I believe I went over my levels last night, or how price reacted last night. I think I went over my levels yesterday um, in trades for how price reacted. Let me just double check my channel. Yeah, I did my post-market review. Okay, so right now, um, ES has been rising on low volume. As you can see here, we have a very strong candle. There's no volume behind it. Another strong for the week. This candle here had a lot of volume. This is the weekly. And when we sold off, we started selling off on strong volume. The volume came up. So if we go on the daily, we notice that there's no volume at all here. Our price has been moving since that spike of volume on 8.5, and then price was dumping since the spike of volume on 7.18. Yeah, 7.17, 7.18. Then we had another one here, I believe in August 1st, August 2nd, August 1st. So now we're back up almost to the all-time highs, but there's no volume at all. There's nothing here really fueling this from what I can see. I believe it's the same thing on NQ. Oh shit. We actually got a selling volume on NQ. I wasn't expecting that. So NQ got a selling volume. Still not as high here, but it's still something that created volume here. So we'll see if price really can reject these highs up here for NQ. If anything, we're also rising on low volume. This is selling volume that came in. What are we bouncing off of? Maybe because we broke this on the daily. We broke up here sharply, so we came down here to retest. So that's probably it. But we still have some more upside potential to go to before I see any true selling. I don't trust this here. We did break out of a channel, it looks like. Let's see if I can so I can get it from the backside. Something like this. Pretty ugly. Broke out of it a long time ago, I would say. Not really my forte. Can't really I see something, but I can't seem to draw it. Yeah, so but we are making higher highs and higher lows, but I just don't see the, it would be like this really that we broke out of, so but I'm not gonna count that. Alright, so what do we do with this information? I expect price to eventually keep rising, and before it reaches stronger volume up above for both ES and NQ. NQ will, for me, will be up here. I know it's not as strong as this volumes down here, especially this one that we broke cleanly. This one's kind of doing the same thing what ES and NQ did, but this is what's catapulted the prices down. So we will see. But right now we're inside of this channel right here. We had this earlier, so we'll see if it's just a channel break, move higher, break, move higher, break, move higher, maybe, and then break and come down to this. So pretty much it. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the do my regular thing, go to the 30-minute chart, and see what I can find. I can get rid of this. It's no longer irrelevant. So price has been steadily rising in the overnight session. I need to hurry up. Has been steadily rising overnight session. We have a nice volume bar here with a lot of buy-in that push price up. I'm gonna have to go a bit lower and see what exactly where to pinpoint this, either the highs or the lows, or just where it is. There's a lot of strong volume here. This one's kind of hard to mark because we got a lot of strong volume at 11:30 that came out of nowhere. Mark it like this. Okay, and this is where selling started, but it hit that, so probably won't even mark or do much with that. Let's go into the regular 30-minute. Let's see. It's in here. Right on here. We cleared it. Sold again up here. I'll look at that one. Try to buy. Start gonna drop. What the heck is this? Oh, that's the pre-market area. No, that's not pre-market. That's yesterday's area. Okay. Buying wise, got buying right here. Selling, selling, and buying here. Probably gonna focus on the extremes. Yeah, it's just too tight. No volume, no volume, no volume, no volume, no volume, no volume. Um, this one can stay. This here, we have nothing here. Price just dropped. Probably came from here. Hmm. 56.40. So the 850. harder than I expected. 5640. Let's do this real quickly. Let's here. And this one here, I can't figure it out. There's nothing here. There's a lot of volume, which makes sense, but this here takes the cake. Okay. Thank you. So my area is a little better now. Nothing wrong with that. Zoom out. If we break cleanly, we can get rid of this. Get rid of this. Now this one here, what do I do with you? I am going to rewrite you like this. And then we're going to 5-minute. Look for the strongest volume, which is that one here. Another one here. Okay. All right. So working with this. All right. So that's it for that. Let's do NQ. Oh, we also have Powell speaking today. So that's going to be something interesting. probably be leaning on VIX. Alright, that's it. Alright, so those are my levels for today. Are we still recording? Alright, still doing good. Okay. So those are my levels for today. We do have ADR that we're going into, which is probably that big volume area that I had that I could make sense of. This thing here that was like up here. So we have the ADR levels. I'm not going to mark it. We are in an uptrend. Maybe I'll mark that. Okay. Alright, so we have ES, NQ, and VIX all in trends right now, channels. And that's basically what I am working with. And we're just going to be patient. We're going to play the long game and wait for a price to give us a good reaction somewhere. ES might come up here somewhere, VIX might come right there, VIX NQ might come up there, and then VIX might just be this area here. We had some strong buying candle wise, so it might just bounce up here and push up, while ES and NQ are pushing down. What I didn't go over, settlement price 5594. I just haven't been serving me right. 5594. So way down here. Right here, settlement price. So I expect NQ to be somewhere around here. And then we do have news. As I said, we have it's usually slow. $22. Sheesh, I gotta get going. Got about how much time? 27 minutes before the market opens. Alright. wrap this up soon. 19578. 19578. 19578. Yeah, right around here. So, all right. So that's that. I'm not really interested in any of this right here. For news wise, I said Friday we have FOMC's Bostic spoke. We have Powell at 10 a.m. Did he move forward? Was he always at 10? Yep, he was always at 10. Alright, he was always at 10. They added this guy at 11. And they added this guy at 12:30. So these two weren't there. The Jackson Hole was always there, and then Home Sales was there. But oh, this one wasn't here also. So they added these three Fed speakers. So this might be a heavy day of who knows what, but 10 o'clock is what most likely what's gonna people are gonna look for. So I'm assuming from now to 10, the market's gonna be dead, maybe rising to get to some levels, but the market's not gonna do much. Um, yeah. So interesting. All right, so that's it for me for today. I'm going to prepare myself for the day and do my best with trading, just focusing and just waiting. I do a much better job with a clearer mind, not a hopeful mind, which I realized I didn't know what some of the people say. You know, patience and just waiting is important. Once you have like a clear idea of what you're looking for, and you can actually just wait for it, um, it makes things a lot better for you. Because sometimes we just want to take everything that we see, prices moving up, prices moving down. I want to be a part of it, and end up really just ruining your mental health, um, your faith in your trade, your faith in yourself. So that's it for me for today, for this morning. Oh, a lot of buying, a lot of high buying. Very low though on the 30 minutes. So my goal is to always look at the 30 minute. 30 minute be my guidance, and then 15 and 5 minutes be my channels and trends, and also the 5 minute volume for new potential direction based on how price moves. All right, see you in the evening.